Hey skaters, Kev here, and I'm going to explain how I learned how to do what's called a Bertleman. It's a pretty fun way to pop up out of the quarter ramps onto the deck, spin around and come back in fakie. So imagine I'm coming up out of this quarter ramp right here. I turn to my right. So when you come up and you land, you're going to be in the crouch position and land on the outside foot. Me, it's my left, and my inside foot is kind of tucked like this underneath of you. And I put my inside hand on this coping, and I come around like that, and then switch my hands, and I'm going to turn that way and enter in fakie. And that's just
it's sort of like a half of the around the world.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm going to demonstrate how to do it. We have some skaters here today, so I'm going to try to get this done before anyone else gets in.
Let's see.
Kind of challenging. So drop in, go across there, come back and do it.
Okay.
Check it out.
There he goes to the other side, carving up the wall, coming back across the bowl, over to this side. Ooh, nice. That's smooth.
Isn't that fun?
Yeah.
That's really fun. So again, I'm going up and I'm going to the right.
Okay.
So I jump up, land on my outside foot, going up this way. You're going to come up, reach out with this hand on the coping, and land on this foot. You're outside, and this one's tucked, and you just kind of roll around like that. Switch, and then drop in fakie.
Let's see it again.
So, what, demonstrate it?
Yeah, demo it again,
Right,
so I can try to observe your technique.
One more.
All right, one more time. Get some speed. Here we go. He's gonna carve up the wall. He's coming back across the bow. Coming up to the ramp. Oh, ew, Bertleman it out. Nice.
So that's it.
All right.
So hopefully you guys like that. We love to teach people what we've learned. We're definitely not know-it-alls, but we do like to spread knowledge and stuff we've learned because it's so fun to spread roller skating. So hopefully you guys like that. If so, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.